one and all. Today I, Sneha,
and I, Vanshika,
of class 11 are here to represent our CBSE Science Exhibit 24-25.
These scenarios are not new to any women. Women tolerate because they don't carry any safety options with them. So, we need to find a solution, a strong solution to stop all these things.
The solution is the innovative research to stop all men from crossing every possible limit. Today, we are introducing a secure wear, anti-rape body wear. This anti-rape body inner wear is a specially designed wearable technology which detects and prevents unwanted touches or penetrations.
Emits the loud alarm to alert the attacker.
Sends notification to the emergency contacts or the authorities.
Provides a safe and a comfortable experience to females.
This smart inner wear is created using a plastic cloth, a buzzer, LDR and corrosive strips to detect the attackers and provide the wearers an additional layer of protection.
We have used plastic cloth which is made from polythene. Females can make this easily in their homes by using any polythene.
At the time of attack, the buzzer we have used actually senses the person's touch or shadow and creates a loud sound to alert the victim and panic the attacker. The corrosive strips we have used in our model consist of eugenol, clove oil,
Caustic potash, hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is also used in the treatment of melasma and is also used by cosmetic industries. Let's demonstrate the working of this exhibit.
As we have told you, we have used a plastic cloth in making this and we have covered this with a nylon t-shirt or a cloth because nylon has good corrosive strength. It is easily stretchable and can be used for different sizes or for different women. This is the corrosive strip we were talking about.
We have placed this on plastic cloth.
We have left some space over here so that females can easily access the corrosive strips and attack the attackers.
अब आपके मन में डेफिनेटली एक सवाल तो आ ही रहा होगा कि मार्केट में पेपर स्प्रे भी तो है, तो इसकी क्या जरूरत है?
पेपर स्प्रे या चिली पाउडर हम कुछ भी जो अपने साथ कैरी करते हैं वो ऐसे टाइम में हमारे साथ दूर हो जाता है और हम बहुत पैनिक हो जाते हैं। तो हमारे लिए इनर वियर इसीलिए यूजफुल है क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी पे ये हमेशा रहने वाला है। हमारा जो इनर वियर है वो दो मजबूत चीजों से बना हुआ है, एक है प्लास्टिक क्लॉथ और एक है नायलॉन। दोनों के दोनों को ही करोजिव स्ट्रेंथ के लिए जाना जाता है। जो हमारा प्लास्टिक क्लॉथ है ये हमारे को हेल्प करेगा ताकि वो करोजिव एसिड हमारे ऊपर ना आ सके और नायलॉन भी हमारी उसमें हेल्प कर सकता है। When the attacker attacks us or comes in contact with this corrosive strips,
this will create a burning sensation on his body. This will give Goin 15 to 20 minutes time for escape or find for him. Let's start with chemical testing.
Now this will create a burning sensation on the attacker's body. This will help millions of women to escape situations like rape, teasing, catcalling, etc.
and help them to escape and save their life. Thank you.